The FW32 series supports a wide power range from 1500 watts to 3000 watts. This power allows you to achieve deep penetration on stainless steel up to 8 mm and aluminum up to 6 mm, which is a huge leap compared to low-power air-cooled models. While air-cooled welders are portable, they often struggle with duty cycle in hot environments or at powers above 1.5 kilowatt. FW32's integrated industrial chiller ensures the laser source and welding head stay at a constant temperature. This means zero power decay and 24-hour continuous operation without the risk of overheating-related failures. FW32 handheld welding machine features 7 built-in professional welding modes covering all welding application scenarios in a single unit. Select continuity mode. Set parameters. Select the pulsed mode on the wire feeder. Select the spot welding mode. Set process parameters. Select the spot welding mode. Enter settings to set parameters. Set parameters. Set indication of red light to spot mode. Set parameters. Select cleaning mode, then restart. Set indication of red light to line mode. Set parameters. Want the same product or a customized laser welder? Contact Raysoar for the details.